Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to... Whoa, Rose. What are you doing? I'm just now coming in here and I was about to record my video. Why are you interrupting? Why do you get to interrupt? That is called unfair. Since you are interrupting my video, actually, you were trying to make a video on my channel, weren't you? Trying to take over my channel. Well, you are the main star, but now you want to be the co-director. I mean, you want to be the owner. Well, I'm sorry, Rose, but I'm the owner, and you're still the main star. I'm sorry. Now, today, Rosie, continue what you were going to say to them. I want to see what you were going to say. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. If you did, make sure to comment down below #PugsGod, and I will add you to the channel description. Okay, good job, Rosie. Okay, let me do what I was going to make a video on. Okay. We are going to make a video of playing this game. It's called The Wolf, and you can get it on the App Store. Today I am going to show you how to get this app. I mean, not to how to get the app, but like, you know, like how to like play the app and level up. So the game is called The Wolf. So, there's an ad. Well, every time there's an ad, we'll always take a second to look at Rosie. What are you doing? Rosie, weren't you just gonna chew on your bone? Ow, that hurt. Rosie! Rosie! Buggy. Why are you looking at me like that? Okay, the ad's finished. Rosie, you didn't do anything. Okay. So once you get the game, you can enter your name, select gender. You get to choose your wolf. When you first join the game, your only 2 selections are this or this one. But since I'm level 11, then I can do that, and I have to be level 15 to be the white wolf. Now, as you can see, I need a lot to be turn into level 12. Here's where you have friends. You click this. And I have 4 offline friends. Okay, but this is how you... What is Rosie doing? Rosie! Rosie, come here. Oh my gosh, you had that again. You have it again. Ow! She scratched me. By accident. Again, my little pug, you're just gonna lay down. And, basically, so once you click play, you'll have an option of this or this. But if you just started, you can't do the PvP because you need to be level 5 to do the PvP. But you can do cope hunting, where you hunt animals. PvP is where you kill the other wolves. Okay. Once you're here, you'll have teammates. You can't kill them. So you use this to walk around. And you have special attacks, which I have this one, which you guys definitely will not have the blue one. Because you need to be like basically my level or maybe level 10 to get it. Now, I am going to go find I'm going to go and find some animals. As you can see, there's some sheep over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill them by clicking this button. Using my left hand, it's not that good. And you can do special attacks. Got their health down, and it's dead. Over here, there is some white dots. Those white dots are animals that you'll see in a sec. See, look, that white dot is a sheep. So you go and you attack it. Here is where this is. Everything costs 1,000 from me because I bought it 9 times. Except this one, I bought it 8 and it's not 1,000, it's more. So, here is your abilities. They don't cost that much at first. You use these. And you can upgrade your health, your defense, your attack, and your speed. Also, this button is where you can leave the game. This lightning is where all your special attacks can be. This is like I forget, but this heals you, and this is the one I have now where it does a purple beam and it does more attack when you attack. When it's around you. This is the leaderboard. It says how much kills this is my score so far because I just joined and I've only killed a few sheep. You can get a really big score. Here is where your friends is. Also, if you're in a game and you don't have to exit the game to talk to them. Or join their game. You can join their game. As you can see, there's diamonds. So look, if I opened this and I couldn't buy it, which I don't want to click on it because I can buy it and I don't want to waste my money. But if I couldn't buy it and I clicked, it would say not enough and you can use like 8 diamonds or something to buy. Here, as you can see, shows your XP, your health, and what level you are. And then your username. here you can open up this to type something random. And then click send, which I'm not going to actually send that. And I'm just going to send something saying hi. Hi. Send. And then you can press this to put it back down. Here I have something locked right now. Pretty much that's it. This hides chat. This opens it. I said hi. And that person said hi. Okay. So now this person, the person that said hi back, is next to me. Wait, what level are you, person? What level? Ugh. It's hard to control while holding a camera. Very behind. Oh, I could probably just look here. Oops, wrong thing. Here. They're level 19. How are they playing on this? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, they can play. But why would they want to? That is just so weird. Okay guys, that is it for today. Rosie's getting very sleepy, so we're going to end this video. Wow, it is long. Hope you like this review. Bye.